What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. I'm out here. I got one of my guys out here helping me right now. We just put this side up. I'm about to get ready to put this other side. See how flimsy it is? And they kind of made the sign just a little too small, but we made it work, you know. We did what it do. So it worked out fine. So we had to do some networking on getting this thing in, but we got it in. See, I got my guy. He's better at driving trailers. So I said, hey man, just go on and drive my truck and get this thing over here. Cause I would rather kill two birds with one stone than me trying to do it, you know what I mean? It goes back to what I say, stay in your own lane. I know, you know, I can drive trailers, don't get me wrong, I can move them. But sometimes people that do that's what they do, you know what I mean? They can do a lot better than I can. See, he getting it in here, no problem. That's what he do. So we lining everything up so that we can kill a few birds with one stone over here. And it's coming on. Like I say, today we are in think that's good, bro. I was wondering, do you think we need to come over here some? Or you think we good? You see what I'm saying? Like if you come over and sweep this way a little bit. Yeah, let's try that. I was just looking and I'm like, man, maybe we need to step back just a hair. I'll watch you on this. Okay, I got you. I keep my eyes on you. Before. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I think that'll be good. Hold on.